If you wake up and send text to multiple people on a frequent basis, keep watching this video because I'm about to show you how you can save time by automating and personalizing your text using this feature on the iPhone. Hey, what's going on everybody? It's JD with Technically Social. Thanks for clicking on the video. Make sure you watch all the way through and please make sure you like the video. It really helps the video out. Now with that, let's show you how you can automatically send text out. We're going to go to shortcuts. We're going to add a new shortcut. We're going to type in the name of the shortcut. We're just going to type in GM Business Text and then we're going to search at the bottom. We're going to search send message. Once we search send message, so we're going to type in the message we want to send. We're going to say good morning beautiful. Say whatever you want to say to your special individual or individuals. And we're going to type their name in where you say to it. I typed in Bopper, which is my own phone number, and unselect show when run so it can send automatically. This next text is just going to be a quick business text sent to the same person so you can see. And as you see, fellas, you can make multiple texts to multiple different people if you want to do that. A little toxic trait, but you can do it nonetheless. And once we do that, we're going to hit X so we can exit out. And we are going to go to automation at the bottom. We are going to click personal automation. Once we're in here, you can select whatever automation you want to, but we're going to do time of day because we want to send it to them at a time of day in the morning. So once you do that time of day, we're going to select the time you want to send it out. Remember your time zones, people. And then from there, you can select daily, monthly, weekly, whichever one suits you. And then from there, we're going to click next and we are going to add an action. Type in run shortcut, and from there we're going to select the shortcut that we just created, GM/business text. Once that is selected, you want to deselect ask before running so it can run automatically, and then we're going to click done. And from here we're just going to wait for the automation to appear up top. As you see, it just appeared, and right after this notification you're going to see all the text messages that you are asking to send out. You're going to get a message one time that's going to ask you to allow. Make sure you allow all those text messages for the first time. After you do this for the first time, your phone will then know not to notify you in the future when it sends this automation out. Thanks for watching the video. It's JD with Technically Social. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can catch the next episode of Automate My Life. You know we're going to be talking about some good features on tech products, so do it now, and I'll see you soon.